Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your refugee assistance organization. So if your organization supports refugees, then manually responding to all the inquiries can be very time consuming and overwhelming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will offer assistance to refugees and connect them to caseworkers all automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for refugee assistance organization with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn how to create this chatbot, let's first see how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. And to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I'm going to send a general message like hello. And immediately our chatbot responds us with, welcome to Hopeline Support. We are here to help you with housing, food, legal aid and more. How can we assist you today? And it has provided us with 3 options. I'm going to select the first one. Housing assistance. We work with safe shelters and host families. Please share your current city, number of family members, urgent needs if any. So here I'm going to send my details. And the chatbot responds us with, thank you for reaching out. Your request has been registered. We are doing our best to support you as soon as possible. Stay safe, you're not alone. Let's go ahead with legal assistance. And it responds us with legal aid info. We can connect you to lawyer for asylum documentation for protection. Please tell us your situation in 2 to 3 lines. So here I'm going to send a dummy response. And our chatbot responds us with the same message as earlier. Lastly, I'm going to choose this food and essential options and it responds us with food and essentials. We partner with local groups to provide food, clothes and hygiene kits. Tap on connect me to speak with caseworker. So here I'm going to tap on connect me and it responds us with connecting you to a caseworker. Please wait while we assign someone to you shortly. In case of emergency, contact us on this given number. So this is how I have created a WhatsApp chatbot for refugee assistance organization. Now if you want to create the same, then open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on add WhatsApp number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as untitled. So we are going to name it something more relevant like WhatsApp chatbot for refugee assistant organization. On the screen you can see there is a flow start box under which there is an option to enter keywords. We use this feature to enter some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, here's also an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression. It is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here there's an option to choose template, and when you click on it you get a list of all the approved templates from which you can choose any template to send to the user. Once you're done with the basic setup, you can start curating your first message with the help of this text button. Here I'm going to add a welcome message. Our message looks like this. Welcome to Hopeline Support. We are here to help you with housing, food, legal aid and more. How can we assist you today? And here with the help of this add button option, I'm going to add some quick reply options. Here I'm going to add housing support. Also I'm going to give another option of legal assistance. And lastly, I'm going to give them option of food and essentials. Once we are done generating our first message, we will generate a response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with housing support. And for that, I'm going to access the action type notes and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. Here, I'm going to ask for the details for housing support. Housing assistance. And here you can see I have added these little star signs in the beginning and at the end of the text because it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make our text look more presentable. Housing assistance. We work with safe shelters and host families. Please share your current city, number of members and urgent needs if any. And here you can see we have an option to select contact custom field. To select it, we have to create it first. And for that, save your flow. And once your flow is updated successfully, go to the settings and then choose this third option that says contact custom field. Here you can see some default custom fields are there, under which here we have created contact custom fields. To create a contact custom field, you need to click on add one more field, and here you can add field name and enter description of the field, and then you will be able to access it under question box. For example, here I have created this add field under which you can add any description. We are going to access this one. So here I will delete this one. Once you have created your field successfully, click on save and you can go back to your flows. Once you're done creating your contact custom field, you can select it from the drop down. Here I'm going to select add as my contact custom field and as format I'm going to select any. Then link this question box with the corresponding quick reply. Then I'm going to send a confirmation message with the help of this text button. Here I'm going to add. Our message will look like this. Thank you for reaching out. Your request has been registered. We are doing our best to support you as soon as possible. Stay safe. You're not alone. Now let's create a response for legal assistance. Here I'm going to access the question box again to gather the details for legal assistance. Here I'm going to add this message. Legal aid info. We can connect you to lawyer for asylum, documentation or protection. Please tell us your situation in 2 to 3 lines. And then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. And here in the contact custom field, I'm going to select add and as format, I'm going to select any. And now we are going to link this with the same response as before after collecting their details. Lastly, we can move ahead with food and essentials. And here I'm going to access the text button again. And here I'm going to add. Here I'm going to add food and essentials. We partner with local groups to provide food and clothes and hygiene kits. Tap on Connect Me to speak with caseworker. So here I'm going to add an option that says Connect Me. And here I'm going to add all the contact details so the user can connect us in urgent cases. And here I'm going to add. Our message will look like this. Connecting you to a caseworker, please wait while we assign someone to you shortly. In case of emergency, contact us on this number. And this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for Refugee Assistance Organization. We have created this chatbot easily by accessing all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, then you can follow the same procedure as I have shown in this video, and once you are done creating your flow, you can save it. And once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.